guys, I'm back. I'm back vlogging. I'm back in LA.
Girl,
but we're who calling me?
The agency gave me the following information.
What? Who called this, Jakira? So y'all, we're going downstairs. We're currently locked out.
the kid distracted me for real.
We're locked out.
And my phone is on 1%.
Is she trying to? This is her charger. Like, girl, what are we supposed to do with that little bitty old thing? Oh, my goodness. Don't worry. But woo!
Girl, I saw myself getting smashed in there.
We almost got smashed. Like this. This moving too fast. All in all, we're finna go to Target.
Dollar Tree and
Five Below.
Yeah, that's very nice.
We're at Foods for Less. Yep. Oh, look, Mama. I never seen these in person. Yeah. Here's the bag, cart. What we're working with. We're going to find popcorn. So, hope we find some good ones. Okay. Oh, my mom found a rug.
It's cute.
It is cute.
To go with the stuff you already have.
True.
But what color is Miley stuff?
Miley stuff is like multicolored. Let me just send a picture to her. I'm trying to find new pillows, y'all. I just can't find nothing. Like, it's just, how do you go pillow shopping? Like, that's the actual real question. How do you go pillow shopping? At this point, I just leave it at that. That's what it's just gonna be. Cause, Mom, we're at our last location, which is Target, and yeah, we're getting some stuff. We went to Ross. It really wasn't anything in Rice. I forgot what I got, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get to the dorm and show y'all everything that I got. But other than that, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's what we needed. Yeah.
But where is it at?
Guys, they had like a corduroy beanbag, and we were too late to the game.
It's saying ready.
I'm trying to fix y'all up. That's the only thing.
You see, they don't.
Yeah.
Like it. Girl, here you go right here.
Where?
In the box, right here.
In that blue box? This is not fun. Ah! Literally what we're working with. We're going to try to put this in my dorm. We won't open it until we see the dorm, just in case we have to return it. But 9 times out of 10, we keeping it, boo. Ain't that right?
Yeah. That's what I wanted anyway.
That's what she wanted. That's what she wanted. Because that's her room. This is her college. She's already said this. She's already said this. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. As long as I get to live the experience, she can do whatever she wants.
So, Debbie, that's my college.
Oh, my mama. She don't like when I say that.
Oh my God.
What? Should have found something else. No, let's go. Let's go.
My happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy.
Y'all, this room is fire. That girl, like, it is. Look at this space that we have. Me and Miley finna be cutting up in this room. And watch, look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom.
So then we in here. Did I do this?
Uh-huh. Yes, bathroom tea.
But I thought it was
Right. Bathroom nice. Here go LMU making us big again. Cheers to her school. I'm back, baby. Y'all, I'm literally in near the bookstore and waiting right now. Well, I have to do the involvement for a theater in color, but other than that, I still have to fix up my room a little bit. Like, I'm so tired. Like, I just want to get in the shower because I just literally have been working my butt off. Like, genuinely has been working my butt off. But I don't know. Oh, my mom's back, so she got some stuff. Yo. Hello? Oh, I am recording. Guys, I literally, this is how much I got left. I genuinely need to just put stuff up and everything else.
I think you should put a bit up.
That's what I'm trying to do. Somebody's trying to help me from the floor. I said, you trying to help me from the floor by telling me what to do.
Yeah, because then if I'm money come back there, I could get.
It's the next day, guys. It's another one. Bruh, it's another move-in day, but the people that moves, like, that tells the people what to do with their cars, one of them is so fine. Literally. We're not done doing our room, so we can't show you guys, but we're probably be done by tonight. But this is what my side looks like, low-key. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Oh. Yeah. We were gonna go to the gym, but other things happened, like staying in the bed. So we're just gonna get breakfast. So should I take y'all to the lair with me? I guess yes. Okay guys, so we're going to the block club party. And then tomorrow we'll show you guys our finished room.
Cancel my phone.
Our finished room because Miley still has to get her
Oh my god.
her cover.
God, they were open today. They're lying.
Yeah, we thought the distribution was open, but
I'm scared.
why do you always want to go towards that way? Miley's trying to touch the snake. Miley, I want to touch.
I want to hold it. Like, I want it. Like a necklace.
Ew. Hey y'all, so y'all probably like, girl, where the heck have you been? Literally, I think I'm on a 4th week of school, 3rd week of school, I don't know, but I'm on a week of school. And when I tell y'all, school has been so much. Like, the first week I was tired. Like it's just been a lot. So I'm finally ending this video with a room tour slightly, because it's nothing really different about my room from last year. So we're just gonna go in how the layout is, only my side though. So of course we got our opening day. This is Miley's, this is mine. Then we have my what's it called, closet. I'm not gonna show y'all what's in here, just know that it's some clothes, lovely clothes. I just washed my clothes. So then we have my flipped flops. You see, okay. And then we have my bed. The bed, underneath my bed is my shoes, and another dresser with my clothing in it. And then we have my desk, which has my binders and folders, my AirPods, wallet, all those other stuff. Princess Tiana, duh. I hope you guys can hear me. This loud old fan. My everyday technology that I use, like I use this for theater and color. I use this to take the pictures. Oh, you can't see it. To take the pictures off of my camera. I just bought a new camera, digital camera. This oh crap. Tiana, stay still. This camera right here is the camera I do a lot of digital videos on. It actually takes really good videos. This is for my lamp. This is a vision board that I did at one of the Delta events on campus. Very fun. I did this last year. And then I have castor oil, my water bottle, books, another book, journal, books. And then we have my jewelry, wipes, hair stuff. I don't know, the hair stuff is like, I don't know if it's confusing or what. Makeup, pencils and pens, school things and makeup. My wuzu, I can't work without my wuzu. My purse hook, my perfume, my light, and then this little nook area where usually I have my stuffed animals on here, but they're back here because of course this is for people to sit on, so they usually just throw it back there. So then this, so yeah, this is the room in the whole. Very much just a normal room, not gonna lie, not that deep. So yeah guys, college is colleging. So my next video, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know when it's gonna be, but you can follow me on all platforms at Lanaya Boston, LANIYAH BOSTON, Lanaya, and then Boston like the city. And yeah, usually I'm on Instagram the most. I'm on Instagram the most during my days, literally just updating my life. And then I'm on TikTok sometimes. I literally just posted a video of what I was wearing today on TikTok. I don't know how to use TikTok really well, so like my TikTok is a little sad. But then we have YouTube, which my goal is to get to 400 subscribers, aka 500. Hope I can get to 500. Just more than the usual. Like I don't know, we need to get ahead. But all in all, just remember to be safe, have fun, and pray every day. Bye guys.